Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys where I stay. I actually stay right here. It's called the Noli Studios. It's kind of like a hotel slash apartment hybrid, and there are like around 8 floors, and it's pretty big. Okay, and here is the parking lot with the Fresi, which is a gym, a local gym. So this place is very close to nature. You see parks within walking distance, very near to the apartments that we stay at, right? Yeah. So that's something good about Finland. People love nature here. Flowers. So it's summer right now. It's, what's the date today? 18th of June. Yeah, so all the flowers are blossoming. It's really cold right here. Temperature right now is 16. Right? 16 degrees. Yeah, very cold. Cold rain. So when you're outdoors, remember to wear your jacket and warm pants. Loud wind. So is that a stadium right there? The stadium? Okay. Football stadium.
European kind of.
Oh, look at the flowers. Wow. Beautiful. So these are the trash cans? Are these trash cans? So it's very different from Singapore.
Plastic and cardboard.
Okay, here you have the word sekayate. What does that mean? Mixed. And then we have muovi, plastic. And then we have kartonki, cardboard. Okay, so in Finland they practice recycling just like us, but their trash cans are big and black. Very interesting. Yep. They don't have the same kind of system that we do in our HDB flats. In Singapore, we have a trash bin situated right at the corner of HDB at each level, and when you toss the trash, it goes to a centralized rubbish bin at the bottom of the floor, right? But in Finland, you don't have that rubbish chute built in your apartment or near the corridor, so you have to hand carry your trash, walk down the stairs outside the building, and toss it in the central garbage bin. Anyways,
The skate park.
what is this?
Oh, what?
Oh, there's a bunny. Is that a bunny? It's a hare. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, did you see that? So there are a lot of wild bunnies and hares around this area. They just run wild like that all the time. Wow. Very interesting. And the view here is like pretty empty. There's no one here. It's 9 a.m. right now. Yeah. Nobody's out. Pretty chill. We have a rock climbing facility. And what is that? A swing bar. Monkey swings. Bridge. Where kids play. Basketball court. Soccer field. and a skate park right here. Very good facility, I would say. Yeah. And Hesburger. Local Hesburger. Yeah. So this is like a newly developed location, right? Yeah. That's a gym, a public gym. Huh? The same kind that you see in Singapore. You need the HDB flat. It's for everybody to use. Yeah. Aeroplane in the sky. Oh, it's a clear day today. Look how blue the skies are. Wow. Beautiful. I should have brought my cap. It's really sunny right now. Can't open my eyes. Yeah. No. It's really bright now. And a bike area. So these are shared bikes, are they?
Yes.
Okay. So do we just need to download the app?
Not sure.
Let's take a look.
Sad.
Yeah.
You pay like 30 euros for a season.
Oh, season.
8.2.
Yeah.
End of September.
Wow. Pretty good deal. We used to have these in Singapore. And then I think most of them got removed because we just don't know how to use our share bikes properly. Okay. So this share bike station is called Filari. Aleppa Filari.
So these are like sponsored by Aleppo. It's like a
Sponsored by Aleppa.
store
Yeah.
chain.
Ah, okay. And this is the instruction. And this is where you scan your QR code or tap your card to unlock the bike. Pretty cool. We will try this in the next video.
Don't forget to like, favorite, and
Subscribe to my channel.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell icon so you're notified each time I post. Peace out. Alright, so we're right here. In this neighborhood. And there are seagulls everywhere on the top of the building. Like, that's a weird sight. Aren't seagulls supposed to be living by the cliff near the sea? And this place has no sea. This is Vantaa. This is Myyrmäki. It's not even near any port or any sea, but they are just circling the air right here. Very weird sight. Okay. Yeah, they're everywhere.